I'm going to show you how to make a paper star, a 3D star. What you're going to do is take a piece of paper and fold it into a triangle, diagonal, open it up and fold it into the other triangle. So you have the two X's, and then you're going to fold it into a rectangle and open it up and fold it the other way. As you can tell, I've kind of pre-folded a little bit, but you get the idea. You're going to do your X and then you're straight across the rectangle. To get the quarter part, you're going to take to your center line, you're going to take the outside edge of your paper and fold it in, increase it. I'm going to open it up, turn it, do it a second time, open it up, do it a third time, and then your fourth time. So this is what your paper is going to look like. You have your X, you have your cross, and then you have all these little squares here. What we're going to do is turn it over because we want the color. We happen to be using color, so we want the color on the outside. And what you're going to be doing is opposite corners. You have to push this together. So you are going to pinch or invert these two corners. And if you have to kind of do them singly, you can do that. Pinching it in and pinch this one in. But what you need to do is kind of keep this flat square up there so it would look like this. And what you're going to do then is holding those corners, you're going to start guiding your paper down in to a pinch like this. And keeping it on the table surface, you should be able to do that and just pinch it right down here. And make sure that it's nice and strong creases. You're going to just fold it down on the table, and then I would suggest folding them backwards of each other and then redo that. Because you're going to have a piece just like this, because you are going to need 6 of these. So you're going to do that process 6 times. Now what we're going to do is start putting it together, and because I've decided to add an extra color, I'm going to do that color because I want it on opposite ends. These two match right now, but what I'm going to do is turn it because I want the square end, and I'm going to tuck the square end inside this part, down just like that, and you're going to reach inside here and kind of open this end and tuck the purple end down inside like this to secure it. Wherever you have the open flap and the flat square, you need to insert it inside of it. Now this doesn't look exactly like a star like this yet, so we obviously have some more work to do. So now that this is in pretty secure, and you can just make sure all your creases are in there pretty well. All right, the next step is to take and kind of bring part of the center out, but go out to your corners and kind of pinch it a little bit and then push it in just a little bit because you want to bring those to a sharp point as you can. Now you can go to the opposite, bring it out with your finger in the middle part, but before you pinch it down, make sure your thumbs are at the end and give it a pinch and then push it on the inside a little bit, just like that. So we'll do the same thing here. Bring this out in the center, bring it into a pinch, push it in a little bit in the middle, and the same thing on the outside. Lay it down in the middle first, bring it out to the corners, and you repeat this around till you have all ends completed. There you go. I think we got all sides. There you go, your 3D paper star. This is Lynn Reynolds, and have a great time.